This is Dr. David D. Shine, and welcome to the special edition of Business Law 101. And we've had a bit of entertainment in the news lately. President Biden announced that he is going to forgive $10,000 to $20,000 per student who has a federally guaranteed student loan. And full disclosure, I have two adult sons who still have student loan debt who would benefit from this program. At the same time, as soon as I heard it announced, I said, I don't think the president of the United States has the authority to unilaterally forgive the student loans using federal tax money that you and I pay for. So it is kind of interesting to see what has developed. Two lawsuits have been filed, the first one by the Pacific Legal Foundation, described as a conservative legal group. And they're saying, gee, you know what? There are 6 states that will immediately tax that loan forgiveness. So say a student owes the 30 or 40,000 in student loans, they're making small monthly payments at a low interest rate. And in fact, over the last 2.5 years, due to federal COVID relief orders, they've not had to pay any payments or accrue any interest. And payments supposed to start this month, September 2022. Well, apparently, if you were suddenly gifted with $10,000 or $20,000, according to these 6 states, that's money in your pocket today, and you would pay income tax on it today. So it's a pretty interesting. So that's the root of the Pacific Legal Foundation case, which was filed in the Southern District of Indiana. And then just shortly after that, 6 attorney generals have filed an action in the U.S. District Court for the Eastern District of Missouri. Those are the attorney generals for Nebraska, Missouri, Arkansas, Iowa, Kansas, and South Carolina. In their 36-page complaint, they largely mirror the legal arguments that the Pacific Legal Foundation made. But one of the things that's been raised about this is if Biden was using COVID as an excuse, and he has emergency powers as president of the United States to do certain things, including student loan forgiveness, maybe he has shot himself in the foot, because Biden also said in response to an inquiry that the COVID pandemic is over. So he's basically contradicted his own authority, if that is indeed the authority that he was drawing on. And again, I don't think at this particular state of the game that he had the authority in either case. So I do expect that the cases will be consolidated. It is too soon for me to know how this will come out, but if I was a wagering person, I think I would bet in favor of this loan forgiveness being struck down as being beyond the authority, beyond the constitutional authority of the President of the United States. This is Dr. David D. Shine for Business Law 101. If you've enjoyed this episode, please subscribe on your favorite platform.